Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is a plant-based diet, what I eat to stay in shape. I'm going to show you what I had to eat. And I started my first meal off at noon with a watermelon. It was one of these mini watermelons and it was super delicious and juicy and hydrating, so a good way to start it out. My second meal was at 2:30 p.m. and it was a smoothie. Now in this smoothie I used 4 dates, about 2 tablespoons of walnuts, about a tablespoon or so of peanut butter, 1 cup of chocolate almond milk, a few sprinkles of cinnamon, and 4 frozen ripe bananas. I threw them in a bucket of hot water for about 4 minutes to defrost them first. Blended that all up in the Vitamix, and it made just about a liter. This is a super delicious smoothie. Try that out, let me know what you think. Then for dinner at 6 p.m. I made a big salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, apple, dates, and tomatoes, and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's bread. And then just after that, I went to a movie. I brought an apple and I had a little bit of popcorn. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. It has some great delicious recipes I make regularly. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. The ebook is in the description box below the video. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.